In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add filter to Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then just swipe to the right. Now we can start creating our story, and all we have to do in order to add some filter to our story is just swipe left or right in that way, so we can just drag it to add some filter to our story. And once we have selected one, we can take a picture or record a short video with that filter. After that, we can add there some text, some stickers, all the stuff. Also, we can first off, without selecting a filter, we can choose any picture or video from our camera roll, just like that. Let me scale it a bit. And once we have selected an image, we can tap at that icon with stars, and we can now select a filter after the fact we have selected a picture. In the same way, we can apply any filter to our story. Once we've done with that, we can tap at done, and then also we can add there some text, some stickers, and then we can share it with our followers. That's how you can easily add filter to your story.